What's going on, YouTube? So today I brought my German car to an American car show. Now I know you see a whole bunch of Japanese, European cars, another Japanese car, another BMW next to me, but the actual show, or like American cars, are on the other side over there. Okay guys, so this is basically the build sheet of my car. It's a 2021, it's Drive It Gray. It has the black and blue Vernasca leather upgrade. Let's go through this together. I have the parking assist package, I have the executive package, which is basically the laser lights, heads-up display, heated steering wheel, and I also have the heated front and rear. I have the shadow line package, I have the driving assistance package, I have the M adaptive suspension, I have the Harman Kardon surround sound, I have the power tailgate, remote start, space saver spare, wireless charging, M performance exhaust. So yeah guys, that's basically my car. The sticker price of the car was $72,000 and some change. I'm gonna throw it up on the screen. But yeah, that's definitely not what I paid for it. Whoever bought this car first, that was the price that they paid. Okay guys, so look, this is Drive It Gray, shadow line package. Here you could probably see the Drive It Gray better in this lighting. So these are the rims that the car came with. So I do have rims coming. I'm waiting on the two front tires to get there. I already got the rear tires. And once that happens, I'm gonna be throwing them on the car and I'll make a whole video about it. But yeah, I do have wheels coming for the car, guys. Guys, look at this pickup truck. I actually do have a pickup truck. I have an older Ford Ranger and I was gonna bring it today, but I thought I'd make some content for you guys. Let me know if you want some pickup truck content, because I have this exact Ranger, but it's just orange with the side step. I think I know whose car this is. This is one of my boys' cars. Yup. It's a project. Yo, go follow his Instagram and follow him on YouTube too. That's his YouTube. He has a Teggy, which is this one. And then he also has a BRZ. I think this is single turbo, if I'm not mistaken. Guys, when I was younger, I always wanted a Teggy. And like it says, it's a project. Guys, I know nothing about American cars. I've never been around so much American cars in my life.
I just have every chance I get my
I know somebody in my video commented that they wanted a black one. Oh, here we go. And they have a blue one here too. This one looks cleaner than the other one.
Sorry.
Oh my god. Guys, if you see anything that I missed, I'm so sorry. It's like 100 degrees outside. New Corvette. This was also a car that I was thinking about getting. Because of the technology and how driver focused it is. This interior is crazy. But they're taxing on this. What is this? Let me drive the boat. I think that's what Kodak meant when he said that. Guys, look what's in the back seat. That is a crazy, crazy setup right there. Look at the meat. No diddy. I'm surprised I haven't seen that many Hellcats. Are y'all taking any American car over a Hellcat? A newer American car, not an old one like this. Oh my god. Another Blackwing. Oh my god, is this paint? Gab cam. And mirrors? What's going on here? And mirrors, I see the inspiration.
Many men wish death upon me. Blood in my dog and I can't see. I'm trying to be.
Fun fact, guys. Transformers, I don't know if it was 1 or 2 or whatever. It was actually filmed here. Or at least one of the scenes. But yeah, guys, I think Transformers was filmed there. One of the Transformers. And 4 laser lights, carbon, bucket seats. How do y'all feel about this? Be honest. This is my xDrive Gray M340. My trunk is a little messy. Can y'all see what's in there? I got the lowering springs. I'm just waiting on the handling kit from Dynan. It's on back order, so I gotta wait a couple weeks. I'm gonna lower the car a little bit. Wheels are coming very soon. I'm just waiting on the front tires and the spacers to come in. I need to get the reflectors paint matched. Actually gotta show y'all the M Performance exhaust. It sounds good. So yeah, guys, that's gonna be the end of today's video. Make sure to drop a like, a comment, and make sure to subscribe. This is our current sub count right here, in my hand right here. Make sure to subscribe. We're on the road to 100 subscribers. We out.